What's up everyone, welcome to Zealplex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can add files and commit it. So we are going to go ahead and add some commit to it. So let me just go and clear that out. So let me just click on it and clear that out. So I just wanted to show you that if I inside the bash I'm going to click top arrow key, so it is going to go in the previous one, and that's how it is going to go ahead. And as you can see, I have used clear most of the time, so let me just go back, and here I'm blank with it. So I'm going to go ahead and add git log. So what it is going to do, it is going to give all of the files which is inside the pan folder. So it is showing that author name is Nazir Hakim, and he is doing email address and his date and time. So as you know that it has been showing the date, it is on Sunday. I'm recording it on Sunday. It is November, date is 27th, and also the time and which year and what was the message I printed out. So this is our first commit, so it all was stored inside the bash. So then you know that a Git is so powerful. So now I'm going to go, and you know that if you're working with many of the people, and let's just explain you that if I am making a website and I'm working with a graphic designer and a front-end designer and a back-end designer, and the fourth one is a client, if he says yes, it is going to go and proceed. But if he says I like the previous one, so that's the reason Git is going to be very helpful for you, that if he says previous one was better, this commit is going to help you to jump back, and it will be helpful for you to make some files. So let me show you how we can do that. So as you know that I have logged it to it, so let me just go, and if I wanted to know that which person did what, so Git is going to give me help that this person did this thing and this person didn't. They didn't give any command inside the Git. So let me just go and check if something has been done by Nazir. So let me just go and add log. So I'm going to press double dash, and there you see the name is author. So I'm going to keep the name as author, and what was the name of the person was Nazir. And best thing about is that I don't want to have that Hakim inside this one, because it is automatically going to detect that it is been Nazir Hakim. So I'm going to hit enter, and there you can see that Nazir Hakim has added this file, first commit. Right now we don't have any files, so that's the reason it is been showing that I'm only using the first commit, but it is going to give all the details that whatever the files has been added by this person. So next what I wanted to teach you was, let me clear that out. So I'm going to tell you that status, I forgot to add get status. So now status has been showing that everything has been committed and nothing else has been added right now. I wanted to show you that pwd is the directory, and it is going to give you the directory, so don't forget about this one. This command is much more powerful. It is going to be helpful for you if you go ahead and do any mistakes. So now right now get status, so you must be seeing nothing is committed, working tree is clean. So what git is, as you can see the sign, it is showing as a branch, so that is showing that branch master. So this file is a master, so git is like a branch and it is inside the tree. So that's the reason it had added this branch master. So branch is inside the master, and the tree is clear right now. So let me just go add some files inside my pan folder, and here I'm going to open up my text editor and create new file. As you know that first I was for Microsoft, and then I switched to Dell. So I'm going to copy this one and just go to type, so that's the reason I switched to Dell. And then file save as, and I'm inside my desktop, inside my pan folder. So I'm going to go and add second.txt, because it's a text file, that's the reason I'm typing txt and save it. So let me just go and open a new file also, because then I bought another mouse I buy another mouse and its name is I buy power. So I'm going to file save as and then keep the name as third third dot txt and save it. So there you have second and third. So let me close that out, and you know that inside the pan folder I have second and third, but Git doesn't know that, so we have to go and check that Git knows that or not. So let me show you that it knows that. So I'm going to type git status and then hit enter. So there you can see it is showing that untracked folder, untracked files. There was no files inside this one. So new files are second.txt and third.txt. Nothing is added to commit, and it is untracked file. You want to use git add to track, so it is giving me suggestion that you should use that git add that I showed you, which is going to add all of the files which is inside the folder, and it is going to go ahead and add second text and third text. But right now I'm not going to use git add because I want to teach you something else also. So let me clear that out, and I'll see you in the next video explaining you about Git workflow. So that's it for this video. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.